Hi, hello Dr.Stock viewers, welcoming you all to my new video. It is going to be the continuation of the video which we are seeing across for the past few weeks. So it is going to be the important websites for traders and investors. Okay. So today we are stepping into the next level. So far we have seen about fundamental analysis websites. We have included around close to 6 websites, and after that we went for a option strategy builder website that is called Opsta Hedge, Define Edge, and after that right now we stepped into the rest of the things, that is the technical analysis websites. So as a part of this, the first site which we're going to look for today is Chartink, and the other thing which we're going to look for today is investing.com. Okay, and right now I'm going to explain you about chartink.com. Hi guys, before I start with the topic, I want to thank all my 517 subscribers for part of this trading channel. So I'm going to make one confirmation here. So if you are watching this video as the first time, right, so try to subscribe to our channel. We have given good contents in the past, as well as we are planning to give some more good contents in the upcoming days as well. Okay, so it would be something like when we find something new or something which is there in the market and that need to be communicated in a very simple way, all these things we are bringing up to you guys. So that is how we are doing all these things. And apart from this, we are doing some videos on IPO analysis as well, and as well as the market analysis on a weekly basis. So try to stay updated with us, my dear friends, and get all the juice which is available as of now from our end. Okay, so I'll straight away move to the topic. So moving on with the important thing which we're going to see, right, as a part of our website analysis, right? Chartink.com is the site which we're going to look for today. Okay, so what is Chartink.com is? It is like set of things which we can do, right, as a part of stock selection analysis, right? So that can be done with chartink.com. Okay, just go to Google and type chartink.com. So you'll be getting this link. So which is the one I've opened. Okay, the same thing is open as of now. The same thing. So you don't have to have any trade, any stock screened with you as of now. What you can do is you can have all these things as the important things which is available as of now. Okay, so you can go ahead and create your own account. Okay, that is one thing you have to do. So if you want to have a screener, you have to go ahead and create your own account. So I have created my own account and I have did something, and you can also do the same. Okay, so whatever things you have, right, so what you can do is you can use the same thing which is available in the Google, create one thing and go for this and try to add it accordingly, so that you will be getting a copy scan option. See, there is a option called copy scan. Copy it, so that what will happen is this scanner will now come to your scanner now. See here, do you refresh? See here, that copy came here. So whatever things you want to copy, you can copy multiple times. Right? So this is how you have to do as a part of login. Now, how to create a scan? Okay, so there are so many things as of now. This website is slightly changed. The one which I used during that time, and now things are changed a lot. Create scan. You can create the scanners here, and old is something like old scanners browsing, something like that. See here, all the things are there. Triple top, bottom, all the things is there. That is the EOD scanners. Okay, and next tab is the candlestick things. So again, this would be something like so it is like it's defining something that we want to select all these parameters. We can do it, and accordingly you can do a scan. Accordingly, we can search it. So that is what that tab is used. And this is real-time alerts. It is completely premium, and scans is something that which you have saved. All the things will be coming out. Here is your watch list. So whatever things you want to add it, you can do it here with view stocks option. Okay. Now let me show you how to create a simple scanner. Go for a scan. Okay. Create scan. So this is the one path we are available. Okay. Just give a plus here. Okay. So right now I'm setting up a simple scanner. Okay. Like open equal to low. I want to set up a scanner for open equal to low. I have set up this. I want to add one more thing here. You can do multiple things, and with this off and on, you can make the separation accordingly. Okay. Now I want to do it open equal to high. If you select this, right, it's a user-friendly platform. Just give add notification, then you select, right. Accordingly, it will be coming, guys. So you choose one and do it accordingly. Right. As of now, what I'm going to do is I am going to switch off this. I'm going to run it. So now open equal to low, all things will be coming. So if you want to change it accordingly, this is something like 3,500 stock, something like that, cash segment, right? If you want to scan completely the bank nifty guys, you can go ahead and do it. Only the bank nifty guys. Now, you want to do it only nifty and bank nifty guys, then do it in this way. So nifty and bank nifty alone guys. Now, you want to do it for nifty 50, select that 50 stocks will be coming. As of now, Infosys in open equal to low. Okay. Do it for all. If you want to do for only future scripts, that is the 200 stock, do it. So these are the future scripts which are having open equal to low. Fine. So you can turn off this now and you can turn on this now. So what will happen here is you have turned on open equal to high and the segment is futures only. Let's check what happened. See this many future stocks here, open equal to high. So similarly, you can select it accordingly and do it. If you go for a save scan, okay, what will happen is it will save it. That's it. So it is going to ask, is it private or not? If you want to, this is something like it is now right now coming in only premium things. So you just give a name here, okay, and description here and just save it. No, I already have this filter, so I am not going to do anything. So accordingly, you can do it. This is how you want to create a simple scanner here. Charting is something that don't rely on live data, but charting scanner you can use for the breakout things. So it's like it would be a delay of some 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, something like that. So you can use the scans accordingly and you can work out accordingly. Okay, it's like a slow breakout things. All the things you can get it, but still the data is not real time. If you go for premium, you will be getting the real time things. So that is how it goes. This is what the charting does, my dear friends. So whatever things you want in charting, right? So just go to Google. Whatever things you feel, right? You type in Google, anything you'll be getting. If you want to know about CPR, just go for CPR charting. There are so many CPRs. See here. If you click that, you will be getting CPRs. Right? You want Twizzler bottom? See here, Twizzler bottom charting. You'll be getting. And you have to select here which is correct, which is not correct. So you have to open that and you have to check accordingly. That is again our own risk. Okay, you have to check accordingly. Descending channel. So it will be coming automatically. I mean, someone would have written that code and it would have kept like that. Okay. So accordingly, we can do it and we can check it. It is all again our Google search that will help accordingly. So somehow you will be getting 80% correlated things. If there is something backup need to be done, you have to do that backup accordingly. So that is what this charting scanners are, my dear friends. So majority things, right, we can use as a EOD. So that is how something we'll be doing. Okay. So this is how I use charting. So I have shown you the same thing, my dear friends. Now, let me move on to the next site, that is investing.com. Okay. So this is the site which I want to show you guys, the second site. Okay. This is again technical analysis site. Okay. Whatever things we are doing, right? Candlestick, all these things, right? Patterns, everything can be drawn here with the help of some simple tools, which is available here. I am going to show you all the things. Okay. Right now, this investing.com is something like very close to live data. So here you will be getting some 2 minutes play, something like that. Okay. There is one more site that will be very much live. I'll show that as well. As of now, I'm checking SBA. Okay. So this is the SBA thing. Okay. Just move on to technical chart, my dear friends. So it is already registered. So I'm just picking that SBA as of now. So just expand it, no? If you expand it, you'll be seeing the full screen. Okay. This is the view of SBA. Okay. So if you want to add this, you can add it. It is like volume parameter. It is coming as a default, I guess. Okay. I'm removing it as of now. So as of now, it is in line chart. Okay. Charts you can change here. Whatever things you want, you can change it. Okay. Let me go with tab by tab, guys. So this part is left side. I'm coming to this later. I'm going to the right hand side. But right hand side part is you will be having the time frames. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. All these are time frames. Accordingly, you can change. Okay. This is for time frames. And this part, the second one, this is bar style. Something like the candlestick patterns you are looking for, right? This is bars. This is candle. This is all-event candle. This is Ashi, this is line, this is area and Renko, all these things. So whatever things you want, you can change it. So right now I change the candles. Accordingly, you can change. This is something called settings. So it is the base settings, right? Whatever color you want, you can arrange it accordingly. That is your style things. This is scales. You can check with all these things. You can check, you can remove it, you can check, you can remove it, you can check like that. You can do anything and check it. So right axis, if you take it, the price will come to the left axis. So all these things. That is what check, uncheck things. This is background. As of now, this is the background. You want to change any colors, you want to do it, do it. Not an issue. See here, I'm making this a green color. So whatever things you want, right? You can go ahead and do it always. That is welcome. Time zones, as of now, it is kept in India time zone as we are operating from India. Fine, this is how it goes. This all things is the basic things. Okay. Now moving on to the left hand side, my dear friends. Left hand side is something like drawing trend line, trend angle, horizontal line, horizontal ray. All this options is there. Okay. You want to draw a parallel channel, right? It would be like this. So you can draw a parallel channel, and you can just move this accordingly, no? As per your requirement. For example, here, right? So this is the parallel channel. Sorry. Yeah. So this is a parallel channel. So when there is a breakdown, how the things reflect. If you want to do it in a parallel channel, you can do it. Or else you want to draw it in a trend line, you can do it. So you can just work accordingly and do it. So this is how the practice goes. Check these things and work accordingly. Use a mouse so that you can get things easily. Want to draw a horizontal line? Draw it. Want to draw a vertical line? Pick the vertical line. Draw it. So this is how it goes, my dear friends. How you have to use these things. This is how it goes. So this is one thing we have here. Lines. So this will give you a clear image on what you want to do it. Now this again, the next thing. Next thing is something like you want to draw a Fibby retracement. You can do it on all other things. Whatever things you want to use it, you can use it. So I used to use the Fibby retracement here. So that is all other things is there. You can use the things accordingly. All these are technical based things, my dear friends. Accordingly, you can use. Now, next is something like drawing the things. Something like I wanted a rectangle, right? This is a rectangle now. Clear? I wanted a rotated rectangle. So this is thing that you have to work accordingly. And this is ellipse. You can work accordingly. So whatever things you want, you can do it. This is arc. Put arc here. So this will become here. So all these things, this is the tab. And you want to write something, you can go for the text thing and you can work accordingly. You can take all these things. If you want to have something here, put a balloon and put a comment here. All these things, crazy features also can be done here. Okay. So all these things can be done here using this option, my dear friends. If you want to delete all these things, right? Click this, no, remove drawings. There will be an option called remove drawings. So everything attested you can remove. Okay. So accordingly, you try to use all these things. So this is something like very close to the live data, my dear friends. This is how this works. I want to show this technical thing. So where we put the limit, right? Draw the lines, how people are doing all these things. So you want to personalize it with names, you can do it. See here by Dr.Stocks. This is how we put that. So this is how this site is using. So you can take this any stocks and you can work accordingly. All the data are available here. It is accordingly any stocks which is available in the market. It is there. It's like Infi came. So it is according to the world, whatever thing is there, everything will be listed. So accordingly, when the market is opening or working according to our Indian timings, this will give the data. That's it. So previous data or current data, according to that market time, it will give. All the things is available as of now. Everything is available. So it is like one stop for all your technical needs. So this is what all I have for the investing.com, my dear friends. So I'll try to give all these things in the link as well. Thanks for watching this video. Hey guys, before I close this session, right, I have one heads up announcement. It's like we have one strategy build like index webinar. Okay, so it is something like what are the things which we are doing on the market for the past 4 to 5 years, which I'm practicing personally for all the things, right? So all these things is captured in this index webinar. So it's like a setup that it would be like a session of 4 hours. So you'll be getting a clear idea on what are the things that can be done in the market, and accordingly you can follow it up so that you will be knowing where the Nifty or Bank Nifty is going to hit for a day and whether to make a trade or not, whether not to make a trade for the day. All these things will be clearly explained in this webinar. So that is what we have planned. So it is like an Independence Day webinar, my dear friends. It's like we have 2 part of sessions. One will be on the 2nd August and the other one on the 8th August. So both 2nd and 9th, both will be having the same content. Okay, it is like 4 hours webinar. So you'll be having a clear understanding on what is going to happen on the market and how to analyze all these things in a very simple way, which we are following for a very long time. So try to register for this, and all the details of the same is provided in our Telegram channel, my dear friends. So try to have a look on it and try to use it accordingly. Thanks for watching this video.